Let me show you how we can find hidden photos and videos on Motorola Edge 70. There are multiple different ways to hide photos and videos, so I'm gonna try to mention every major way to find those hidden locations or hidden sections where we can find those photos and videos. For example, if you used Photos app in order to hide photos and videos using the locked folder, then in this case, in order to find the locked folder, we need to go to collections at the bottom, and over here you should be able to find the locked option. Of course, enter your fingerprint, use your fingerprint or enter your screen lock password in order to access the locked folder, and you can find hidden photos and videos. Besides that, you can of course also use the Files app in order to hide stuff, to hide files, not only photos and videos, but all kinds of files. So in this case, you just have to open the save folder. So if you created a save folder, then you can find it over here in the main menu where we have collections. We can go to the save folder in here, enter the password that you have set up for the save folder, and you should be able to access all hidden photos and videos and other files as well. And of course, another way to hide photos and videos is by using the secure folder. So if you have created a secure folder and moved files over there, then of course you just have to unlock the secure folder and go to the Files app that you have over here, unless you actually use another app. So that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe.